Module 2, Groundwork Part 1. This is the syllabus of Systema.
You need to see how he can tense up different part of the body. Hold your body as a wave, like that. One movement, the second. You go forward, again, just using your shoulders. Go one shoulder, the second shoulder. It should be quite natural for you to inhale, exhale. And when you stay flat, when I start to hit you, see, you're not allowed me to hit you. When I start to hit him, by tense up and relax, he can escape. So create tension.
Watch now, only on Patreon.